Hi, everybody. Brian Pate from the Pate Realty Group in Wake Forest, North Carolina. Here's a recap of the latest real estate news for today, August 28th, 2023. So to start off with today, our total number of active listings in the Triangle MLS is above 5,000, and that's the 10th day in a row that that's happened. That has not happened since February of this year. So we're starting to see inventory creep upwards a little bit. A lot of that just has to do with the time of year. Normally we see a little bit of an increase in August, and then all of a sudden we go gangbusters in September and October with the parade of homes. So expect to see that same thing happen again. Pending median list prices have dropped from 410,000 to 389,900, and that's a drop that's taken place since June. About mid-June was when we were up at that 410 range. This morning we're under 389,900. So that's indicative of a couple of things. Number one, it could be that some people are just taking their home off of the market if they're in that higher price range. There are two completely separate markets in that upper luxury range, and some of them are selling and some of them are just sitting. So that's really the indication from those. So as far as mortgage stats go, over 90% of homeowners have a mortgage that is less than 6%. 82% of homeowners are below 5%, and 62% of homeowners are below 4%. So hit the comments below and let me know what your mortgage rate is. I'm always interested to see what other people have if you're willing to share it. Come tomorrow, we'll get the latest information from the Shiller Home Price Index and the let me try that again. Federal Housing Finance Agency, and then July pending sales will follow on Wednesday. So we got a lot of real estate data coming this week, and we'll bring that back to you as soon as we get that. Nationally, new home sales rose 4.4% from June to July at an annualized pace of about 714,000 units. That's the highest amount since February of 2022. So maybe home builders are starting to build a little bit more. Of course, keep in mind, every time those home builders sell 4 or 5 homes, they're going up in price by anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 at minimum in this case. So the big question on everyone's mind is, will there be further rate hikes? Well, our good friend, Fed Chair Jerome Powell, spoke last week at the Jackson Hole Symposium. If you don't know what that is, it's a bunch of economists, central bankers, and policymakers from all around the world that get together to talk about what the economy in the world is doing. And while he acknowledged there's progress against inflation, there were indications in his speech that we'll continue to see a couple more rate hikes this year, so don't be surprised when that happens. Thanks for watching, and as always, remember, if you know someone that is thinking about selling a home, buying a home, or investing in real estate, please give me a call at 919-669-4575 or visit us on the web at paterealty.com. Thanks and have a great day.